Seriously, Aman, are you using my coffee mug again?
Good morning to you too. And yes, I am because your mug is the biggest.
That is not the point. I literally put a sticky note on it. Ria only.
Yeah, but under that I also put a sticky note, emergency use allowed. See? I follow rules. My rules.
You are honestly impossible. First thing in the morning, and you've already ruined my mood.
Your mood gets fixed by coffee or by fighting with me.
Honestly, both.
Wow, turns out I'm multi-purpose.
By the way, are you actually going to the office today or planning another one of your productive naps?
Excuse me, it's not work from bed, it's work from home. And today I genuinely have to go. Client meeting. My boss is already staring into my soul.
Good. Finally, you'll be seen among humans. I was starting to think you were slowly merging into your laptop.
Very funny. What's your plan, madam? Late entry again?
I have to go too, but first I need to make breakfast. Otherwise, you'll survive on coffee and then perform your evening headache drama.
I'll survive.
You might survive, but I cannot survive your complaints later. So quietly bake out the bread.
Yes, ma'am, CEO of the house.
And by the way, the chips packet you opened last night, why was the empty packet still on the table?
Research purpose.
What kind of research?
To check whether the packet can reach the dustbin on its own.
And what was the result?
Negative. Still needs human support.
From today, you are that human support. Understood?
Okay, don't get so serious. How many meetings do you have today?
Back to back. If even one gets cancelled, I am offering sweets at the temple. You try smiling fake all day and saying yes noted, you'll understand.
Hey, I do that daily.
Yeah, but your yes noted usually means nothing was actually noted.
Personal attack this early in the morning is illegal.
Hurry up and get ready. I need to book the cab.
Ria, have you seen my blue shirt?
The one you threw on the chair yesterday?
Yes, that one.
Then it should be right there.
It's not. I already checked.
Properly checked or your usual 2-second search?
I'm serious, it's not here.
Check behind the chair.
Oh, found it.
You're welcome in advance.
Fine. Thank you, Miss Detective.
You're welcome, Mr. Mess Creator. When are you planning to improve?
The day you stop being my personal assistant.
Keep dreaming. I only do damage control.
Come on, we're getting late. Did the cab arrive?
Yes, and please, today don't start debating routes with the driver.
I don't argue, I suggest.
You absolutely argue.
Learn the difference, madam.
I don't know when Delhi traffic will improve, but I'm more worried about when your habits will.
Excuse me, I left on time today.
Your on time means exactly the perfect moment to be late.
You became my roommate just to insult me, right?
Obviously, splitting the rent is just a bonus.
But seriously, thanks for managing so much around the house. I do get lazy sometimes.
Sometimes?
Okay, most of the time. Happy?
Slightly. Just remember one rule. Whatever you use, put it back. The house will automatically become peaceful.
Noted, ma'am. What's your lunch plan?
Office canteen. You?
Might skip.
Don't skip. Then in the evening, you try to eat the entire fridge.
I'm not that hungry.
Who finished half the chocolate last night?
That was an emotional moment.
Do you have emotional moments every night?
It's called stress management.
Hello, roommate. Had lunch?
Not yet. You?
Yes, and guess what? Your favorite Rajma Chawal is in the canteen today.
Are you trying to make me jealous?
Absolutely. Should I send a photo?
Don't. My heart will break.
Fine. Then you're treating me to ice cream in the evening.
Why me? Amazing. You caused the damage, I pay the bill.
Life is unfair.
Drama queen.
Come home early in the evening. We need groceries.
I'll come. And hey, we have Maggi in stock, right?
Now I understand your real concern.
Priorities should be clear.
Oof, today was seriously exhausting.
Same here. The client fried my brain. I think my mind needs a reboot.
Should we make Maggi?
Is that even a question? Obviously.
Fine, you put the water on.
Me? It's your turn today.
I made it yesterday.
But I washed the plates yesterday.
Valid point.
So?
Fine, partnership. You handle the water, I'll do the masala.
Deal. Teamwork makes Maggi work.
Please never say that line in public.
Too late. Already did.
You know what, Aman? Sometimes you're surprisingly helpful.
Sometimes?
Don't get overconfident.
Noted. Want to go to the balcony? Fresh air might help.
Let's go.
You know, being roommates is risky. Either you become best friends or it turns into a cold war.
True. Good thing we landed in the first category. In the beginning, I thought we'd fight every day.
I thought you'd cover the entire house with sticky notes.
I actually did.
Yeah, and I ignored most of them.
Idiot.
But honestly, when you come home and there's someone normal to talk to, the day feels easier.
Same. Otherwise, it's just office, home, office, and you slowly turn into a robot.
Exactly.
By the way, is the audience listening to our daily nonsense?
If you are listening, then do one thing.
If our real-life, real talks felt relatable to you,
Then make sure you hit like.
share this with your friends, especially those roommates who steal mugs.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel or Ria will send sticky notes to your house.
Absolutely. See you in the next video with more real-life, real talks.
Bye guys, take care.
Bye.